Good morning everybody. Maingod to ninyo tanan. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat pala. Si Mario naman ito. I'm gonna do another reaction on this video. It's called Ay Grabe, Bilyon ang Tubo. So this is another video that somebody made. Ay Grabe video. That somebody made about what's going on in the Philippines. The big issue in the Philippines right now, it's the corruption. Actually, corruption is an old thing in the Philippines, but nobody thought of doing anything. They just basically accept it, that's the way everybody does business. But now, because it's affecting everybody, because the flood that's going on in the Philippines, it's not acceptable anymore. They basically went beyond the line, and the politicians are getting more and more greedy. Actually I blame the politicians before I blame the businessmen, basically the contractors, because the politician keep pushing the envelope. Maybe when they started, they said, I'm not going to be corrupt, I'm going to do good, and then all of a sudden they said, oh, maybe you can give me a little bit, like 5%. Somebody donate money to them, and then in return you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, and they end up giving that contractor better deal, or give them contracts, and in return the contractor keeps giving them donations, for political donations, and the cycle keeps going on and on. So the contractors and the politicians, they're all into it. They're all kasabwat. So I shouldn't be blaming just the politicians too. Maybe the contractor approached them and basically gave them that thing. Hey, if you give me a contract, I'll give you a certain amount of money. So sometimes politicians, they come in very idealist in the beginning. They basically say, that's not gonna happen with me. I'm gonna be straight on an arrow. I'm not gonna be corrupt. And then all of a sudden the money comes in, and then they just get used to it. And it seems like nobody's watching them, and they can get away with it. And they've been getting away with it for years now. Di lang usa ka tuig, daghan na ni dako ang inako, kasud sila kwarta. Tanaw nila ang kwarta sa gobyerno, ilan na ng kwarta. Murag sila itag-iya sa kwarta. So karon nahitabo ron, nakaton ng kontraktor gikan 10% na 15% na 20%, karon naabot ng 30%. Can you imagine that? 30% sa billions, ha? Pila may 30% billions? So ang mga politicians, unsa ra sila? Why risk go? 30%, dili pa sila ang mulihok. Passive income, muna gitawag na passive income. Wa sila gibuhat, kwarta, musud lang. So dili pagid sila, wa pagid sila puhunan. So di sila mahadlo kung unsay tawag ani, mabankrupt ba, or masayop ang trabaho, or dunay disgrasya sa trabaho. Kay ang gagulit ang kontraktor man. Ang kontraktor na muhunan, unya sila sa imo trabaho. So sila mo hire og mga tao, sila mo palit og materialis, sila mo bantay sa trabaho na sakto. So so I'm not absolving the contractor. Sayop sad sila nganong ni offer sila bribe or ni hatag sila. So bolo ni greedy. Ang contractor nakadaog og contract, nakakwarta. Sayo na rade anay, inadil ng style. Muhatag lang tag kwarta, bang, magic man na ang kontrata nato. Next thing dato na sila. Muna nitabo sa diskal niyo. Nadato kalit. So, muni. So, ang picture ani, doon na sila ay grabe. Ang tawag sa kanta, bilyon ang tubo. Tanawan, doon nagsulob sila, mga dancer, nagsulob og maskara na buaya. So, pasabutan ng buaya is crocodile. Ang pasabutan ng crocodile is greedy kaayo. Kaon nagkaon. Nanambok. So, let's listen to this. I don't know how this song goes, but let's listen to it.
Sabi ni mama, mag-aral ka anak, maging doktor ka someday. attention agad. Gusto ko maging kontraktor, kahit walang diploma, basta may kakilala sa kongreso. Solve na problema, forget the stethoscope. Goodbye sa chocolate libro. 1,000,000 lang ang kapital, pero bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo. Teacher ka, salamat sa serbisyo, pero broke ka pa rin. Sundalo ka, hero ka, pero utang pa rin ang ending. Habang ako nakakotse pa business class pa sa eroplano. Habang tinatahinidok ang sugat, ako naman ang nagbubutas ng kalsada sa plano. Gusto ko maging kontraktor, kahit walang diploma, basta may kakilala sa kongreso. Solve na problema, forget the stethoscope. Goodbye sa chocolate libro. 1,000,000 lang ang kapital, pero bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo. Project Tito overpriced dyan. Paperworks lang, may kickback na naman. Ang sarap maging negosyante kuno. Legal sa papel, pero alam nating loko-loko. Yeah, gusto ko maging kontraktor, kahit walang diploma, basta may politiko sa tabi ko. Solve na problema, forget ang white coat, forget ang uniform ninyo. 1,000,000 lang ang puhunan, pero bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo.
Aligriha sa daan yung kantaha. Talawan ni Saluyo ha. Doon ay trabaho na daot na yun. Ambot lang asa ni Dapita. Pero talawan na gipakita nila ang trabaho na guba o niya sa atubangan. Murag kari, muranig unsa ka ng sapa na itubig o ni Agi. So sila gatindog nga rin sa daplin sa sapa na lapo kayo na kingahan patrabahoon. So muna lang pakita ga baha niya ang flood money na gipabulsa lang, mga istorya sila na sayo na rin panginabuhi na imbis na muskwila ta madoktor o manars o maunsa nga na magmilyonaryo, magunsa na lang ta, magkontrakto na lang, basta lang lay kailas kongreso para, dali ra kayo mo unlad. Tiwason na nato.
Bilyon ang tubo. Bilyon ang tubo.
And that was it. I'm already 69. I'll be 70 next year, and I've known this since I was a teenager in the Philippines. So it's a big problem. Pero everybody just gave up on it. They thought that was the way of life in the Philippines. That it's never gonna change. That everybody steals something, especially in the government section. They just basically said, kurakot na sila tanan. Pero unsa may mabuhat natin na wala. They're all corrupt, but there's nothing we can do about it. That's the way life goes in the Philippines. And that's what everybody says until now. Hopefully this is a big change, Hopefully everybody, all Filipinos will stand up and say no more, No mas, no mas. So hunungon na nato, stop it, no more corruption, give the money to the people. The people deserves a better life. Put it in education so everybody will get educated. Put it in healthcare so everybody, can watch their kung lunay magkasakit. Put it in in something that would help everybody. Di lang para mudato ang mga families, will just become super rich. So more na. And thank you very much for listening. Hope you can like and subscribe. So I'm gonna be doing more videos on this when it's come out. So hopefully a lot of creative Filipinos will, as their form of si tawag ani kaning rebelde ba, or ilang showing how disgruntled they are. Hopefully the artists can make more of this kind of music, So if you're an artist, it will be perfect if you write a song or do a video in regards to what's going on in the Philippines. So kanang kita tanan magkausa ta para kontrahon ning corruption sa Pilipinas. It doesn't matter kinsay presidente o kinsay asa mong partido. Don't be blind, ang inyo lang kung partido mo sa usa ka grupo, ang inyo ra gitanaw ang usa ka grupo, or kung gikan ka sa usa ka grupo, usa ra sa ka grupo yung tanaw nimo sila tanan. Kung doon nagay corrupt, get rid of them. Doesn't matter kung asa ba ka na affiliated. Kaya usahay ra ba sa Pilipinas, unsa kay sila kanang gongho kayo ba kanang anak ko aning grupuha, dili na gid mo usab, bahala na magpiyong na lang silang mata, bahala na kung sa ka-corrupt, okay lang gihapon nila. So hopefully mausab na. Thank you very much.